If you need to delete a product using Zoho CRM in N8n, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is useful when you want to automate cleanup in your CRM, remove outdated product records, or build a workflow that manages your product data more efficiently. If this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n and automation tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation so you can add the right Zoho CRM action to the right place in your flow. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and search for Zoho CRM. From the list of available nodes, select Zoho CRM so you can start building the action you need. After that, choose Delete to delete a product. This is the operation that tells N8n you want to remove a product record from Zoho CRM instead of creating or updating one. Next, configure what you want to delete. Set up the required product details so N8n knows exactly which product record should be removed. Double check the fields and make sure you're targeting the correct product before running the workflow. This is the most important part because once the deletion runs, the product will be removed from Zoho CRM. After your settings are in place, save the node and test the workflow to confirm everything works as expected. If the correct product is deleted, your setup is ready to use in your automation. And that's how you delete a product using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.